Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make potato crackers in your own kitchen. From potato to this and to this. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our potato crackers, we need potatoes, water, salt, chili powder, farina. This is potato starch, or you can use cornstarch or tapioca starch. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to peel the potatoes and I'm going to mash them, then I will show you. We'll move on. Our potato is already mashed. I'm adding salt to it, the chili pepper, the the potato starch or farina. The measurement of everything I'll be using is in the description box. So now I will just mash everything together. Now I will be adding the water to it. Now it's ready. You can load it together. So what we'll be doing now, just take some out, roll on the table on my worktop, neat worktop, into a log. Now they are rolled out into logs. I'm going to put them inside hot water. They're already there in the hot water. The water is not covering them. So I'm going to leave them to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every 5 minutes, make sure you turn them over so that they'll be cooked evenly. So after about 25 minutes, our potato crackers has been brought out from the fire, and I'm going to allow it to cool down. Then I'll put it in the fridge for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. The second day after putting it in the fridge to stay overnight, our potato cracker. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be grating it. You can use knife if you want to, but I have this. I took it out of one of my equipment I use in the kitchen. So I will just slice through, or just slide it through, and look at it. Maybe I should show you. So I'll be doing that, then I will show you. So this is how it looks like after slicing. So you have three options. One option is sun dry, or if you are blessed with sun wherever you are, but make sure you cover it with thin cloth or cheesecloth so that dust and insect will not go to it. The next one is you can put them in the oven and lowest heat possible, and it's going to be there for like 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours. You keep an eye on it, and what you'll be doing is once in a while you'll be opening the door of the oven to allow the air to come out and fresh air to blow in. That is option number 2. Option number 3 is to put it in the dehydrator if you have one. So let's check if our oil is ready. You will know when you take one of the crackers and you drop it into the hot oil and watch as the magic takes place. And you see that? You see it is floating, and as it is floating, it is expanding. That's to tell you your oil is ready, and this should take about 8 to 10 seconds. So be very vigilant, be very observant. So I'm going to pour some into the oil, not too much, because as you know, they're going to expand. That's the magic. You see the magic? Seal it, and very quickly you're going to take them off. If not, they're going to get burnt. Look at them. Look at these beautiful babies. See the babies expanding. Wow, what a beauty. Make sure your oil is hot. If it's not hot, you're not going to get the same result. Our potato crackers are finally ready. See? Very light and very crispy. And I must tell you, it is even better than the store bought.
when it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy even better. Like today, we have discovered that we can make our potato, when we add it to cornstarch or potato flour, which is farina, we can actually make fluffy crispy potato crackers right in our own kitchen, and it's even better than the store-bought. And the one I store in the freezer bag can last as long as 3 months or so if you don't allow air to get into it. If you like what you have seen so far on this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave your comment in the comment section, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.